the basics you should be looking for in Amplifier Wiring Kit. Power cable. Brings power to your amp from power source. Power cable are measured in gauge. The lower the gauge, the more power current flows. Ground cable. Protects against electrical overload and damage. Attach the ground with metal screws or metal nuts directly to the metal chassis of your vehicle. Fuse holder. Integrates fuses into the electrical circuit and provide a way to replace fuses when overcurrent occurs. Fuse. To protect the amplifier's circuit from failure and other extreme voltage issues. Remote turn-on wire. Turns your amplifier on and off. RCA interconnect cable. Delivers the audio signal from your radio to your amplifier. Speaker wire. Delivers audio signal from your amp to your speakers. Loom tubing. An extra outer layer that protects wire and cable. Zip ties. Zip ties fastens and organizes wires and cables together. Ring terminals. Connects wires to a single connection point. Spade terminals. Provide a solderless electrical connection. Grommets. Protection for running cables through metal barriers. And those are just the basics of car audio amplifier wiring kit.
I'm calling for Boss Basics. If you like this video, make sure you hit like and subscribe to get the latest videos from Boss Audio Systems. We'll see you soon.